Hello! Today we are going to be taking a look at this absolutely amazing USB hard disk drive docking station, and the absolutely most critical part that this device do, and like a regular inexpensive docking station that looks just like this, do not have. And this device is supporting SAS hard disk drive, so you can plug into that unit hard disk drive that are dedicated to be used in server, and they are using the different interface that allow a faster bi-directional transfer. Like that's the biggest advantage of the SAS interface. And this is opening a lot of possibilities, of course, if it's going to be working well, to use server-grade hard disk drive, for example, for archiving data, because they've got tendency to be much cheaper, because they do not fit a regular computer, and as I described you, they do not work with cheap docking station, so you need to have a very specialized equipment. Or if you've got hard disk drive pull from server, like here you can see it is inside even a caddy, and for example you need to run some diagnostic or transfer data, you will have possibility to use it directly. So this is pretty crazy. What I'm most thrilled is information that it is supporting Mac operating systems, and we've got also Windows, USB 3.0, we've got the SAS interface, and here you've got more information and the product number just in case you would like to order it. This is how it's presenting, and inside we've got a 12-volt power supply. Here is our docking station, so if you are not in the know, you will think that this is worth like maybe $20, but in reality it is more like a couple hundred. We've got the USB 3.0, the power on off switch. We do not even get information that it is supporting the SAS interface, but we should see it here. On the SATA interface you can see that we've got this cutout, and here is not present, as you can see. Here is a one slot. Here we've got divider, and this is creating very interesting thing, and that's mean that you cannot put SAS hard disk drive into SATA interface, but your SAS server interface work with regular SATA drives without a smallest problem. Let's check what else we've got. So we've got a USB cable, we've got the EU adapter, and here we've got some information, and basically that's all. So we do not even getting any drivers. So yeah, that's going to be pretty crazy. Let's check this on Mac with M2 CPU. Let's check will it support it. Let's prepare our station. So we go like this. Most likely with this frame it will not fit. Yeah, it does not. We have to remove it. And our hard disk drive is released. Once again, this is the SAS drive. As you can see, this is not SATA, this is SAS. Here you can see it. And it fit 100% perfectly. Very nice. Let me grab my MacBook. And here we've got my MacBook. So we are going to be plugging ourselves here. We need adapter from the USB A to C. And let's see. Nothing is happening, but I cannot see the power indicator. So let's press the power button. I can hear the hard disk drive spinning. The head is parking. And let me open the disk manager. And it was detected. We will ignore. We open the disk utility. And as you can see, our 73 gigabytes hard disk drive, can you see this? Is properly recognized. I've got this in RAID array. So let's just do something like this for a fun. APFS. It's doing. It is making very nice, pleasant sound. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yeah, we are mounted. And here is our beautiful disk, ready to be used. We can create new folder. And yeah, everything is working properly. We will use the Blackmagic speed test. Select target drive. This is a very old drive, so we are not speed testing it. I would like to just see the ballpark range. And let's give it a try. Perfectly. Perfectly, we are reading 60 megabytes, so we are passing the threshold of the USB 2.0. Very good. That value, I'm pretty sure, is going to be accepted for that old drive. Very nicely. Let's check the read speed, because this is going to be a most interesting part. But we are not dropping it under heavy load, so looks like it's working stable. Let me present you the software that I'm running. This is the M2 with the Tahoe operating system. It's almost done. I'm really looking forward for the read speed. So it is pretty close. So we are definitely saturating something. So yeah, this is how it's presenting. And as you can see, in couple moments, without any configuration, we plug in a server grade SAS drive into a MacBook. Imagine that we've got a problem in the server room. We can just pull a disk, we can install system or create like a whole image. Just like that with your modern MacBook. This is absolutely crazy. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.